Here I am. It's raining, but I like it. I'm far away from home. I don't really like spending too much time at home anyway. You know, I like to get out into the woods, enjoy myself. It's really nice here. Getting out there, and I was out further deep in the woods earlier, but now I'm actually back sort of in town. So yeah, now we got a little bridge here. Let's check this out. Okay. Ah, lovely little side river. It's beautiful. So peaceful. It's wet, but it's not too bad actually. Being wet. Might get a bit leechy later on, especially if you're traipsing. But it's close to the end of the day. It'll be time for me to get back to suburbia. And I don't like suburbia. I don't always like being around people all the time. You know, it's not that I'm not a people person. I don't know. Sometimes you need your own. You know. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Till next time, take care, God bless, and enjoy the great outdoors like me.